Jacob & Company Gotham City Rose Gold Watch. Main features are movement, caliber, number, GFM 10. Winding hand wound. Number of components are 382. Power reserve 48 hours. Frequency is 21,600 vibration per hour or 3 Hz. Case diameter 46 mm. Case height 17.2 mm. Case material 18K rose gold. Crystal anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Case back sapphire crystal with Batman signature drawing. Water resistance 30 meters or 3 atm. Other functions are double flying triple axis tourbillon. 1 est axis, rotation in 24 seconds. 2 n axis, rotation in 48 seconds. 3 RD axis, rotation in 180 seconds. Dial, bat-shaped onyx, yellow outline. Hands, rose gold-plated, sword-shaped. Strap, cordura with yellow rubber lining. Clasp, 18K rose gold deployant clasp.